Hi guys, I'm gonna be showing you how to make quick and easy pasta recipe. I hope you like it. So these are the ingredients: onion, tomato, and garlic. Easy garlic. I'm too lazy to cut the real garlic. And I got here a big fat bacon, 3 pounds. And this is the sauce I'm gonna be using. And Parmesan cheese. Yeah. Okay, let's get started.
I'm going to stick tomatoes. I like the ends. I don't know why. Because this is like a 3-day-old tomato. Don't want that. So you just want to, I guess, slice into 4. And then, I guess, cut into like that. Just a big chunk of tomato.
No oil, by the way. Hi, baby. So to put the ingredients in, I put salt. And my baby woke up. Say hi, baby. No, we're gonna season it. I use this seasoning for everything. It's really good. And it's salt free. So yeah, just eyeball it. And then black pepper. A little bit. And this. Just really put whatever seasoning. And this one. Lemon pepper. Just a little dash. There we go. And that's it. And then put the sauce.